In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the date and time settings in Gmail to ensure everything is perfectly organized and in sync, whether you're dealing with scheduling mishaps or just want to make sure your Gmail reflects the right time zone. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, let's head over to your Gmail inbox. We start right from where it all happens, where you manage your emails. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, you'll notice your profile icon on the right side of the screen. It's generally a circular icon that might show your picture or initials. Right next to it, you'll see a small icon or menu. Click on this, as it holds the key to accessing a range of Google services, including Google Calendar, which is exactly where we need to go. Upon clicking that icon, a drop-down or side panel will appear. Here, you want to look for the option labeled Calendar. This is where your Gmail account hooks directly into your scheduling domain, and it's crucial for ensuring your emails and meetings are all aligned correctly in time. Now that you've opened Google Calendar, direct your attention to the top right of the interface where the Settings gear icon is located. Clicking on this icon will take you straight into the Settings menu where you can customize various features of your calendar. Inside the settings, look for the time zone section. It's within these preferences that you'll set your date and time. Here, you can adjust the time zone to match your exact location. This ensures that all your email stamps, appointments, and reminders are synchronized perfectly with your local time, eliminating any confusion that might arise from mismatched timings. Finally, make sure everything looks perfect. Scroll through the settings to make sure all adjustments have been saved correctly. The more precise you are here, the more reliable your Gmail and calendar integration will be. This seamless integration between Gmail and calendar not only helps in keeping your correspondence timely, but also boosts your overall productivity by aligning your digital schedule with your life. Take a moment to verify it's all working as expected by glancing at your emails and planned events. Once everything is set, you can exit the settings confident that your Gmail account is now perfectly tuned to your needs. So there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully managed to sync your date and time settings, ensuring your Gmail is running smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for tuning in, and until